So, hey everyone, today we're going to make cupcakes, which show our feelings for Gertrude in 3 different scenes.
Here are the materials we've prepared for the cupcakes. Quite a lot of stuff.
First of all, adding the mixture of flour, baking powder and milk. We're planning to make 9 cupcakes.
Add water into a large bowl. Then mix.
Looks good.
Crack 2 eggs and put them into a bowl.
Use a whisk to blend the eggs into the mixture.
It will take some time. Be sure to mix it well.
Mix until the eggs are indistinguishable and the mixture will turn to beautiful light warm yellow.
After the eggs are done, add in 1 tablespoon of oil.
And stir.
Since we are going to make 3 types of cupcakes, we divide the batter into 3 equal portions. We plan to add different ingredients into those bowls.
For the first cupcake, we are going to make a sweet, dark chocolate flavor cupcake.
Melted chocolate pieces in the microwave, and now we are making it into a nice, smooth chocolate liquid. The cupcake will be very sweet, which represents Gertrude's luxurious and materialistic side.
And then it's ready to be put in the first batter bowl. For the second cupcake, it's going to remain its pearl and original color, just like Gertrude's love for Hamlet as a mother.
For the third cupcake, we add in red food color, just a few drops.
The color is quite obvious right now. Feeling like some strawberry cream.
Whatever, looks good.
The 3-color batter is done.
Put the paper cups into the cupcake pan.
They look different from normal cupcake holders, looking like a crown, which represents the queen.
The color pink refers to her feminine part.
Now carefully put the batter into the paper cups.
We are going to add 3 of each type.
They start to look like flower candies.
Done! Now it's time to put them in the oven. Yeah!
The oven is preheated to 350 degrees.
Now put the pan into the oven. Time is set to 22 minutes.
Let's get cupcakes out.
Looks good.
We are going to decorate cupcakes now.
Here's the first one. First, we add tons and tons of icing cream, making it like a small mountain.
That represents the way Gertrude uses power to get what she wants.
On top of the icing, we sequentially add 2 golden rings.
Golden rings are symbolic of marriage. And gold is a reflection of fortune and power.
The first at the edge of the cupcake represents King Hamlet, who died and quickly left aside by Gertrude.
The second in the middle of the cupcake represents Claudius, which shows that now he is at the top center of the kingdom, as well as in Gertrude's heart. The old king Hamlet is no longer important to her.
What we are adding now are golden beads, which show how power and fortune has brought Gertrude to marry Claudius.
Those beads are showy, vain, and fake, shiny from the outside but hollow in the inside.
There are also large pink pearls. Pink is the color of love and lust. For Hamlet, his mother marries Claudius out of desire rather than real love.
Pink also means lack of determination and self-worth, which is symbolic that Gertrude has lost the morals in the face of love. We have done the decoration of the first cupcake. We put the cupcake in the center of a big plate, in the center of power, and drop more golden beads in the plate.
In the plate, we also spread lots of beads and buttons and the string, as if the string has broken and all the buttons have fallen apart, which means the death of King Hamlet and remarriage of Gertrude completely destroyed the life of Hamlet.
Here is the second cupcake. Use a knife to put on white icing. Make the surface flat.
Here's the little white flower which represents Ophelia and her death. As a mother, Gertrude feels very sorry for her death. She also feels guilty for that, because it is directly associated with her son Hamlet.
Then we have white icing around the flower, which represents the sadness within Gertrude.
The blue beads are spiritual and peaceful, which represents Gertrude's goodwill for her son as well as Ophelia. The color blue is also sad and solemn.
For the presentation of the second cupcake, we put it on a piece of white tablecloth. We also light a candle by the side, which represents pity and sadness of Queen Gertrude. The whole thing looks like a funeral.
Gertrude is the one who witnessed Ophelia's death. She also attends Ophelia's funeral and says mourning words to send her to peace. Her softness is shown through the scene. The third cupcake illustrates the death scene of Gertrude, where almost everybody dies because of poison. We want to make it a little bloody and shocking, contrasting the first two cupcakes.
Now we are mixing red food color into the icing cream, which looks like blood.
We have put two pocky sticks on the cupcake representing swords, and now we are putting on the blood.
It's a bit sticky, but it fits well on the pocky sticks.
Here's how it looks.
We also add red food color around the cupcake. If the cupcake can represent Queen Gertrude, then the red dots can be her blood in the last scene, which indicates her death.
we put the cupcake in a large wine glass because Gertrude dies from drinking poisoned wine.
Gertrude is trapped in the wine bottle, which refers to power, wealth, and danger as well. As a woman, she is drawn into man's war of power and revenge.
We add red into a cup of water, representing wine and blood. The way the color is spreading is just like how revenge has taken place in the whole castle.
Then we pour the liquid into the glass, gradually cover the cupcake. Just like Gertrude is slowly killed by the poison.
This is the last wine.